There are those who call me Tim. Have you ever wondered why certain stones have a legend or a folklore attached to them? Why certain cultures around the world believe that what seems to be an inanimate object actually holds some kind of power? Well, I've been studying this sort of thing off and on for quite a number of years. Along the way, I've discovered a few things, and I figured I'd share them. We'll start out with quartz. And quartz, for those of you who don't know, is silicon dioxide, like this one that I have here. And quartz has a six-sided crystal structure. It's one of the reasons why it can act as a really unusual prism and bend light and create rainbows and things of that nature. Quartz also has a very interesting property where if you put it under enough pressure, it will actually respond with an electrical impulse. And in many watch movements or clock movements, if you see the word quartz on it, chances are there's a small piece of quartz inside the watch movement that actually sits there and pulses once every second. And that's what actually keeps the watch going. It helps us to keep time. And over the years, the other properties of quartz, which are part of what's called piezoelectric, allow quartz to be used as an amplifier. It's one of the reasons why back in the 60s they often used it in radios to amplify the radio signals. Now, in the meantime, many people in the metaphysical world and in New Age systems and other belief systems all over have actually decided that using quartz when it's around other stones, or whether it's a basis of a piece of jewelry, can actually amplify the energies of the other stones. So while many people would take a more scientific point of view and say, it's just baloney, there is some basis for all these beliefs in the idea that yes, quartz has a molecular energy, has energy trapped in its structure. And what happens with that, under the right conditions, is it gets transmitted. Some people say that they can feel the vibration of a quartz crystal by just holding it in their hand very tightly. Who knows? I know there's plenty of people in the world that can't wear a quartz watch because their biochemistry is such that it doesn't allow the quartz to vibrate correctly. Then there's other people who can't wear a digital watch for the same reason. I know for myself, when I was a kid, if I was listening to my stereo, I would have to hit the button to change the station on the thing and then back up 5 feet because my biochemistry and my electromagnetic field would throw off the radio. And interestingly enough, it had a quartz tuner. Who knows? Now, there's many other stones that have neat little legends and folklore like this. And what I'm going to try and do in future videos is explore a few of those. If anybody has any special requests, let me know. And in the meantime, have a wonderful day.